So when the song dropped, it was such a vibe. I mean, it was such a vibe that I have to bring it back. And so I can show you how the chords were played. And the reason why I'm bringing it back is so you can also see that to make great melodies, you don't always need the most complicated chord progressions. So if you're new, hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started. So this is the song I'm talking about.
Waiting in your mind, I want to know. Anywhere where you carry me go, I go follow. Yeah, you're making me high, Colorado, and I don't really mind if.
So that song I'm talking about is a really great song. Came out a few years ago and it was massive. So this is the vocal. I'm going to use the vocal to find the chord progressions, okay? Because it's important for you to be able to detect chords by ear. So this is me helping you to learn that, okay? So the first thing we want to do is find the root key of the song. And we just simply dragged it to tunebars.com/analyzer and it's going to tell us the root key, which is F sharp major. So we'll come into our piano roll for our plugin and then we simply choose F sharp major, okay? So now to create the chord is pretty easy, pretty easy. So all you have to do is just, again, within the light gray line that make up the chord, choose your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Waiting in your mind,
So that doesn't sound quite right. Let's take it up again.
waiting in your mind, I
Yeah.
want to. Waiting in your mind, I want to know.
Let's stretch it out.
Waiting in your mind, I want to know.
Let's make it a 7th because it sounds like it's 5, 6, 7.
Waiting in your mind, I want to know.
Yeah, sounds more like it. Then let's duplicate it. But the chord breaks here. It's not all the way. It doesn't go all the way here.
Waiting in your mind, I want to know. Anywhere where you.
Doesn't sound quite right. Let's bring it down again.
Waiting in your mind, I want to know. Anywhere where you carry me go.
Yeah, that's it. Then we'll go again.
Waiting in your mind, I want to know. Anywhere where you carry me go, I go follow.
Doesn't sound quite right. Let's bring it down again.
Waiting in your mind, I want to know. Anywhere where you carry me go, I go follow.
Now that's the chord, but now because it sounds a bit weird, because it sounds like it's too heavy down there, so we're going to do an inversion. So we'll highlight this and take it up.
Waiting in your mind, I want to know. Anywhere where you carry me go, I go follow.
So after taking it to a higher octave so that it doesn't sound so heavy, let's listen.
Waiting in your mind, I want to know. Anywhere where you carry me go, I go follow.
Yeah, that sounds more like it. But now we're going to do some inversion so that it sounds a bit more interesting. So I'll highlight this, bring it down.
Waiting in your mind, I want to know. Anywhere where you carry me go, I go follow.
Yeah, so it sounds more like it follows the vocal. This is still technically correct. You can still rock with this, but sometimes you can mess around with your chord just to give it that voice and that expression.
Waiting in your mind, I want to know. Anywhere where you carry me go, I go follow.
Yeah, let's repeat it to be sure that it actually, works.
Waiting in your mind, I want to know. Anywhere where you carry me go, I go follow. Yeah, you're making me high, Colorado, and I don't really mind if I overdose. This kind of love made me get that CD.
Now, you may ask, how do I know that this chord was this long, right? If you listen to the way he's singing, he maintains kind of the same notes.
Waiting in your mind, I want to know. Anywhere where you carry me go, I go follow.
Then he changed.
Waiting in your mind, I want to know.
You can hear that. Then he changes after that.
Waiting in your mind, I want to know. Anywhere where you carry me go, I go follow.
Like,
Waiting in your mind, I want to know. Anywhere where you carry me go, I go follow.
you can hear that.
Waiting in your mind, I want to know. Anywhere where you carry me go, I go follow.
So he was stable for a while, then he went down, then he went back up.
Waiting in your mind, I want to know. Anywhere where you carry me go, I go follow.
So when you pay attention to those little details, it will help you get the proper chord. So let's compare it with the melody. See, it also works with the melody. So
Waiting in your mind, I want to know. Anywhere where you carry me go, I go follow. Yeah, you're making me high, Colorado, and I don't really mind if I overdose.
and you can even play with the bass, because one thing with chords, if the bass doesn't match, definitely that means something is wrong, because the bass will always expose you if you're on beat or not. And that's pretty much it. This is how you play the chord progressions for this song by Yarden titled Wetin. It's a great song, great Afrobeat song. If you find this helpful, like and follow for more tips and tricks. Cheers.